just across from where we can. We're not going to stay here because it's getting very busy and I need to edit today, so we're not going to do the walk. Maximus won't walk into...
No, it would have been nice to go and see Bolton.
Shall I go to the river?
We're at the river, but we're going to move again.
So after a lazy morning, we thought we'd just come and have a look just around.
Yeah, see what's what.
Yeah.
I didn't realise, but there's loos there.
Yeah.
And there's a little booth. I would imagine you've got to pay. I think you can walk the grounds for free, can't you? But if you want to go into the Abbey, you've got to pay.
Great.
As you can see over there now, it's full. The ice cream man's here. There's the bridge. The bridge looked lovely in the morning light. It was just a bit windy and a bit overcast before, but it's clearing up now. So yeah, we'll just have a quick look and then we'll be on our way because we need some services, don't we, today? I see. Opening times. Right, so this is a car park field actually, and that's where everyone gets here early to park over there, because this is pay £15 for a car to pay.
Whoa.
Wowie. Doesn't open till 12. So yeah, get here early or the night before if you want to do the walk up to Bolton Abbey. You're on the other side of the river. Oh yeah, skipping on his long lead. Her long lead, it's a she, isn't it? But yeah, it was a lovely park. It was really quiet, wasn't it? It rained, so that was nice. Morning.
Are they open?
Yeah, it rained, so it was nice, wasn't it?
It was lovely hearing the rain on the van for the first time overnight, wasn't it?
It was. It was really nice. We like the rain. We used to love the rain on the caravan. It's just a really relaxing sound, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've just stopped at a little retail park outside of Harrogate. We need some bits, some shopping, but we also need bits that we forgot and bits that we think we could use, really.
Yeah.
Maybe just some temporary stick-on hooks and stuff like that. We need some blue loo and we need a mop.
No, pink loo.
Pink loo. And we need a mop, don't we?
We do. And a duck board.
And a duck board.
And a halty for Fraser.
Oh yeah, because Shell's lost Fraser's halty somewhere in the move. She's blaming me, but I haven't touched it.
I would have lost it.
I haven't touched it. I guess this is one of the joys, of wilding. It says the water tap works. Oh, sorry, I've just been in and the lady says the water tap works, but it doesn't work. We're just at the co-op garage at Harrogate, but oh well, not a lot I can do there. Halford's next. It's amazing how much of your time you spend finding things that you need. We went to Harrogate, but it was a bit busy, and that garage not letting us have water, and a couple of other places we've got, they've just got the water, but it doesn't say suitable for drinking, so...
No, just a trifle.
Wow.
But
another lovely old, there's some superb old churches down here.
The mark of the collar. Eat him, eat him. You're a bird, he said, and I am going to eat you. What?
St. Michael and All Angels. That other one was called that as well.
Wasn't it? There we go. Where have we been? So we came through Harrogate, we stopped at Halfords, we picked up the pink glue, since we've not had any at all. Everyone seems to have been out of stock. And then we drove through Knaresborough, is it?
Knaresborough.
Where Mother Shipson's Cave is.
Yeah.
We didn't stop there. Mother Shipson's Cave is always absolutely rammed, isn't it? And it's just something that Maximus just wouldn't get any enjoyment out of, really. So we didn't stop there, and we didn't stop in Harrogate today. But we went to, we did Harrogate ourselves, didn't we, not so long ago?
Yeah. But
So
actually, it was 2020, wasn't it?
I don't know. Was it in the middle of lockdown? Or?
Lockdown just opened up.
And we got over to there, didn't we? And
Yeah.
stayed in the hotel there on the Stray.
Yeah.
It was
Really
lovely.
nice.
Yeah, it was lovely, and we had a walk
Harrogate
around.
is lovely.
That was we had respite, didn't we? Or did your mum look after?
No, Mum.
Your mum did. Your mum.
Yeah.
So anyway, it was just Shell and I, and we had a nice little break after all the lockdown stuff. But this is a lovely. That drive before was probably one of the nicest drives we've done in the UK, wasn't it?
Absolutely.
It was. I mean, it wasn't quite as big as Wales in terms of hills or mountains. They are mountains, aren't they, Snowdon?
Yeah.
But yeah, it was still absolutely stunning. The back road up round the back of the river, above Bolton Abbey. And you'll have seen that already, I think, or I'll put it in now if you've not seen it already. But we're just going to keep on heading.
Just tying you up.
She's doing the maypole dance around me. But yeah, we'll crack on, and drive on a bit more. We've filled up the action.
We need to find water. That's what we need to find water.
We do need to find water. Giddy. But just look at it, rolling hills. Yorkshire's rolling hills. And there's some really old, I mean, look at this one. 1806.
Wow.
Watch out for the hand. Stunning. I love the little gateway and the archway. I should get a picture, really.
Ripon. Graham's just going to do some admin. We're still on the hunt for water, but I've found just where we've parked up Ripon walled garden. So I'm going to go and have a look. Ideas for what to do in our garden, because I'm gonna rewild our garden. It's pretty wild already, but I want to do my best to do my bit to keep the bees going, the pollinators going, and everything else. And we've actually got grasshoppers in our garden because we've got the borders one, which I haven't seen in the garden since I was a child. I would have loved being here as a kid. To be fair, where I grew up, there was a huge field that backed onto our house, and that's where my sisters and I and my friends spent hours and hours every day climbing trees. That's probably why I love being outside all the time. Well, we were always outside. And how gorgeous is that? I'm gonna have a seat. Feel like a Viking queen. Lovely. Giant bird nest with huge cushions that are painted like eggs. How cute. And here's the wildlife viewing station. Only I've come in this way, not the way I'm supposed to. Oh, it's lovely. And I think this path takes you back to the car park. So yeah, you should come. You should come. They do days on a Tuesday and Thursday which are for children. I'm not sure, just as children's activities. I think Graham's come to park up and have a look with me as well. It's worth a look, it's lovely.
Bit of a change of plan. We've stopped in Ripon because I've just realised it's Saturday, which means tomorrow's Sunday, and I haven't even begun to edit a video yet. So apparently this car park, it's St Mary's Gate car park in Ripon. Thank you. Shell's just made a coffee, so I'm going to have a quick brew, then I've got to nip the shops because we've still not got a mop and we've still not found water, have we?
No.
So we thought we'd be able to, because there's public conveniences here, we thought we'd be able to get some water. It's not looking likely now, so we may have to nip and find water because we need water now. And then come back, but it's free to park here overnight. The cathedral's just up there, and Ripon town centre's just up there. But Shell wants to have a quick look around the cathedral later, so she might take you up.
Sorry, I'm leaving the I've got terrible hay fever today.
But yeah, it's been a lovely day. We've just spent most of the time just doing chores, haven't we?
Yeah.
Is this 4 days, 5 days on the road now? 4 days? 4 days.
This has been the fourth night, wasn't it?
So yeah, because we're not completely organised, like we said last night, it's hard work, but
We're not.
we don't mind. It's all nice, isn't it? It's been good. Maximus loves driving around in the van. He thinks that's the best thing ever, don't you, boy? Yeah, he's over there playing on his thing, looking out the back window at the trees, whistling. Coffee time. We've moved into the corner, so we've got view of. I don't know whether we'll stay here tonight, but Shell's just knocked up chicken curry. And it's tasty. And I'm going to try and edit, and then we might move. It's a lot different than last time we came. I don't know if you can hear this in the background. There's some kind of outdoor event going on just over here. With some singers singing, not very well, but they're singing. And then the main town itself in the top half, there's just gangs of kids behind the museum screaming and getting drunk and spewing, and the realities, eh? And then in town itself, it's just from I don't know, from about 4:30. From about 4:30, it just seemed to be full of stag and hen parties that were, which obviously we know they've got to go on, but my God, effing and jeffing past kids and stuff like that in the middle of the afternoon, and the stuff that, it's stag and hen parties, it is what it is, but we're going to have to move. We can't have that all night. So I'm coming down off the blocks and we're going to move. We're still driving, aren't we? Look at that spider. Hey, are you the one I moved? We're still driving and it's 11:30.
Yeah.
We've just come up Sutton Bank as you come out of Thirsk, and it's 25% incline.
Poor Wolfie was screaming.
Oh, he didn't like it. He was screaming, yeah.
So we just pulled off for a rest.
Yeah, we're just giving him 5 minutes just to cool down a bit, because that was a big climb, and then we're gonna get going again. We found a park up about 5 minutes from where we were. There was no sign saying cross the road or anything, was there? So we're just going to park here because we're all shattered. We need to get some sleep. I'm crouching, so we'll make this quick. If you've enjoyed the video, please
Give us a like and subscribe.
And if you want to support us, the best way to do it, we've had a few people ask now about buy me a coffee and that sort of thing. We're not going to set up buy me a coffee because they take money off you. So if you want to buy us a coffee, we'll leave a link to our PayPal in the description below, and just send us a friends and family on PayPal, and that'll buy us a coffee whilst we're out and about. That's the easiest way.
And if not, then that's great too.
We're not asking you to do that, just people have asked us. So yeah, the best way to support us, if you do want to support us, is we are powered by Roma. We chose them after looking at building our own system and looking at other systems. After speaking to them, they're over this way. We're in a place today and they're very near where we're at. We're not giving anything away yet, but yeah, you can see we're out and about in the van at the moment. So if you want to support us, then use our link in the description below to buy a Roma battery, and we will get a small amount from them for you doing that, because we believe in their product. We've been using it every day whilst we've been out and about now, and we're running pretty much, everything in the van is running on the Roma battery. We've got no charger yet, it's just running straight off the DC to DC MPPT that I set up. But yeah, that Roma battery is awesome and does exactly what it says on the tin. So yeah, the best way to support us
is to buy Roma.
Or to use the
PayPal,
link to buy us a coffee.
Okay.
Thanks guys, see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Because you were crouching, haven't you?